Soft or hard light? Why not both? Here at Creative Compound, I feel that the visual medium of photography has a powerful way of telling a story through images. The lighting can affect the overall mood of your image, whether that be hard or soft light. As I mentioned in the previous video, I have found that the 4 L's, lens, light, location, and a little bit of luck, are what deliver great photos. Here is my take on light. To get a great photo, looking at light as an object can help because it is intangible. You have to observe it and work with it. My favorite way to play with lighting is shooting into the sun to get dramatic colors that you can't see with your own eyes. Most people think not to shoot into the light, but that's just not true. I enjoy creating different looks and elements with something that can be more challenging. Magic hour is also a great time to go out and shoot. This is sunrise or sunset when the lighting is soft, warm, and golden. This hour isn't always a full 60 minutes. If you're shooting on a beach without a lot of mountains around, you can get a lot of time at the end of the day with beautiful colors that are changing every minute. But if you're shooting in the mountains or a place with hills around, you can really only have a few minutes of that magic hour. Hard light creates contrast and depth. You can typically find this light during the middle of the day. The contrast can be so intense that it can actually simplify the photo by blacking out details and highlighting other parts. Observe and study light, as there are many facets to it. Besides hard and soft light, color and flash can also be added to the equation to improve your photography. Have fun experimenting.